In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on biometrics and password. Now tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. Then hit get started at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're ready, select Done. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're finished, go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!